Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use referral codes on Temu, so let's get right into it. And as you can see, I am using an article I found online, since this does have the best instructions that I have found so far. So without further ado, let's start. The process is very simple. As you can see, it takes only 4 steps. And what you want to do is open the Temu app or website, and at the bottom of the screen, locate the U option and tap on it. It might be in a different place on a computer or a website, so just search for it and you'll find it. Then in the menu, tap on coupons and offers, which is the third option from the top, and then under the unused section, enter the code in the input coupon code area, and you're done. And that's how you input a code. To find a code, what you need to do is switch on the app or visit the website, and at the bottom of the screen, go to U, then click on earn credits and free gifts, and spin the bar to accumulate points. Once points are added to your account, tap on refer new app users, and then you'll receive a link that you can share directly on social media platforms and other apps. And that is pretty much your referral code. And that is all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.